Hi, I am Durga, Principal, AQSA Public School, Mayur, Tiruvannamalai. This is Applied CBSE Curriculum. I have 10 years experience in teaching field. I have been in this institution past 2 years. In this institution, they are providing good environment to us. Our wonderful team of dedicated teachers always motivated the children. Academic and character development is most important for students.
Hello, myself Hakim Sharif, correspondent of AQSA Public School. It's been 3 years we have been started Noble Vision Education Trust in the year of 2019 for a noble profession of teaching and making our future. We have 4.5 acres of land school campus. Our school is well known for a safe, healthy and caring environment. Our educators are highly skilled, qualified and experienced staff members.
Myself Jessie Munisha, mother of Afrin Banu. My daughter is a bright student and consistent rank holder. Nowadays, it is very important for a child to understand the concepts and what they are learning in a classroom with the help of integrated curriculum. As a parent, I am very happy to approach the school and consistently move on.
I love to say we are a partnership with Eduvate.
In our AQSA school, we have to take a class by using traditional board, smart TV, textbook way by using Eduvate.
All the materials that we needed to conduct a class, we use soft copies.
Even in pandemic period, we had to take the classes to the students through online.
In this school, learning and way of teaching is different.
Surely, we are giving an innovative and creative education to the children.